If you step one leg back, place your hands on your chest, turn both legs inward, and slowly rotate your torso. As you turn, the hips, glutes, and lower back begin to open, helping reduce tension through the sciatic nerve pathway. If you lay on your back and put one leg underneath and hold it with your hand, put the other one on top of the knee and place your hand on the side. As you push the leg to the side, you release pressure from lower back. You also stretch quads muscles and glutes, while also realigning deep back muscles. Place your feet on the wall, open your arms wide to stabilize the upper back, and flatten your lower back into the floor. Now open the legs wider and slowly rotate the knees inward and outward while keeping the hips controlled. This wakes up the deep hip rotators, glutes, and pelvic stabilizers, while releasing tension around the pelvis and helping the lower back. This workout helps release the hips by activating the deep hip stabilizers, glutes, and hip flexors. As you rotate slowly, the joint opens, tension around the pelvis decreases, and the lower back gets relieved while hip mobility improves. If your hips always feel tight, try this. Start with one leg bent in front of you and the other extended behind. Then slowly push your body forward and reach through. This opens the glutes, deep hip rotators, hip capsule, and groin all at once, helping the hip release and move more freely. So, this position restores pressure balance, improves blood flow, and signals the nervous system to relax. By opening the hips and lengthening the front of the body, pressure decreases, blood moves more freely, and your back finally gets a chance to reset. This stretch helps open the lats, chest, shoulders, and thoracic spine. Place your hands high on the wall, then let your chest drop down between your arms. This helps reduce stiffness through the upper back and improves extension through the thoracic spine. Lie on your back, place one foot on the wall, and bend the knee to 90 degrees. Cross the other ankle over that knee and let the leg open out. Keep the hips stable. This stretches the glutes and deep hip rotators, helping release tension around the pelvis. As the hips loosen, pressure drops off the lower back. Mobility improves. While hanging in this position, gravity pulls your entire body downward, allowing your spine to decompress, stretching the latissimus dorsi, teres major, and shoulder stabilizers. If you slightly rotate your lower body, it helps your spine realign naturally and releases even deeper pressure through the intervertebral discs and obliques. And that's why, as you swing side to side while hanging, your back and core activate to keep the spine stable. At the same time, the lats, hips, and side body lengthen, helping reduce tension around the pelvis and lower back. And that's why,